Hello dear students, welcome to Sowmya tutorials. Today we will discuss about the concept of the first PUC syllabus, the chapter number 1, computer system. The concept is the evolution of a computer system. That means the history of a computer system. So what is that history? The history of the computing system is a stream of human engineering. We have come a long way from a simple counting devices to a complex machines capable of artificial intelligence. Each era brought a revolutionary changes building upon last to create the technology we use daily life. So that from the abacus to the today's digital computer, a timeline of the innovation means evolution of a computer system. So first let me know about the first recorded computer system named as an abacus. Abacus, which was invented in the year of the 500 before Christ. This abacus is a computing device is attributed to inventions of abacus is almost 3000 years ago. It was a mechanical device and abacus is capable of doing some arithmetical operations like addition, subtraction and also perform some multiplication and division operations. This performs only arithmetical calculations. Then go to the second computing device that is called the Pascaline. The Pascaline adding machine. So it was invented in the year 1642. This Pascaline was invented by the scientist name that is called Blaise Pascal. So this was one of the first mechanical calculator. So this would perform some addition and subtraction by the rotating gears. Think of it as the first sophisticated odometer. So that this Pascal machine, which is also known as a Pascal calculator, this was capable of doing some addition and subtraction of the two numbers directly and also the multiplication division through the repeated addition and also the subtraction. This is the second computing device. The third computing device is the analytical engine. This analytical engine is invented in the year of 1834. This analytical engine is invented by the scientist's name that is called Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, often called the father of the computer system. He designed this machine to compute the polynomial functions, although never fully built in his lifetime. It introduces the concept of automatic calculation, so that is analytical engine. This Babbage's most ambitious design. It was a general-purpose programmable computer featuring on arithmetical logic unit, conditional branching, and integrated memory. So, the Charles Babbage, we can call it as the father of the computer system. This analytical engine is a mechanical computing device for inputting, processing, storing, and displaying output, which is considered to form the basis of the modern computer system, so that the analytical engine is resembles like a digital computer system. And go to the fourth one, computing device is tabulating machine. Tabulating machine was invented in the year 1890. This tabulating machine is invented by the scientist name that is called Hermann Hollerith. He designed a tabulating machine for summarizing the data stored on the punched cards. It is considered to be the first step towards the programming language. Then go to the next slide. The fifth computing device is the Turing machine. This Turing machine was invented in the year 1937. The Turing machine, the concept was the general-purpose programmable machine that was capable of solving any problem by executing the program stored on the punched cards, so that the Turing machine is one of the computing device. The sixth computing device is the EDVAC and also the ENIAC. EDVAC, the expansion is that electronic discrete variable automatic computer, and ENIAC is electronic numerical integrator and computer. Both the concept was invented by the scientist name that is called John von Neumann. It was introduced in the year 1945. This concept of the storage program computer, which was capable of storing the data as well as a program in the memory. EDVAC and then the ENIAC computers were developed based on this concept that is called stored programming concept. Then go to the next line. The seventh one, the transistor. It was invented in the year 1957. So transistor is a material which was used on the computer in the second generation computer system. The vacuum tubes were replaced by the transistor developed at Bell Laboratories in the USA using the semiconductor materials. Then go to the next computing devices, integrated circuit. This was invented in the year 1970. This integrated circuit was a material was used in the third generation computer system. An integrated circuit is a silicon chip which contains the entire electronic circuit on a very small area. The size of the computer is drastically reduced because of integrated circuits. So these were used in the third generation computer system. ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer. ENIAC was the first general purpose electronic digital computer. It weighed 30 tons and used over the 17,000 vacuum tubes. Next, the EDVAC. So this is expansion is that the electronic discrete variable automatic computer. It was designed by the John von Neumann. EDVAC introduced the stored program concept, allowing both the instructions and data to reside in the memory. This architecture is still fundamental to the modern computers. The third is the UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer. The first commercial computer produced in the United States is the UNIVAC. It was invented in the year 1951. It famously predicted the outcome of the 1952 the presidential election. So this is about the ENIAC, EDVAC and UNIVAC. Thank you. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for the notification of the new videos. Thank you so much.